optimized core challenge. We've got a plank challenge today that's gonna help you build core strength. There's 20 plank variations, no rest in between. Make sure you keep track of how far you can go so you can track your progress over time. Let's get into the workout. We've got 20 exercises, 30 seconds of each exercise back to back without rest. Don't be intimidated, you can always rest. The goal here is to test how far you can go and how much further you can go the next time you do this workout. Get on your mat and let's start with plank tap. Start in a low plank position. Keep your hips stable as you tap one foot out to the side and then back in. Then repeat on the other side. Keep your core engaged. Imagine you are trying to pull your belly towards your spine to zip up a pair of pants that are one size too small. That's how it should feel like.
This will keep me busy for a while. Too fun, I am gonna die. His number, cause I'm wild. Yeah, I've been around, I can tell he's back in town. I can smell his cheap perfume.
Get into a high plank and walk your feet forward into a bear hold position, with your knees hovering under your hips. Lower and tap your knees down lightly, lift it back up and repeat. Keep your back flat and core engaged.
Yeah, I thought that you were fine. I thought you called me when you hide. Money talks to me right, money talks to me right. Doesn't wanna love you, don't talk to me right. Talks to me right, money talks to me right. Doesn't wanna love you, don't talk to me right.
Let's transition into a low plank for leg raises. Lift one leg straight upwards, lower it down slowly with control, then alternate between both legs. Just go slow and steady. While you're planking, on an inhale, feel your rib cage expand, and as you breathe out, pull your ribs down and inwards towards your midline.
I don't forgive you for your wrongs and I don't want you for your rights. Talk to me right.
Get ready for contralateral plank. Raise up to a high plank position, then lift your opposite arm and leg at the same time. Lower them down slowly and switch sides. Move slow and controlled, there's no need to rush. This exercise is quite difficult, so try your best. Remember to engage your core so you don't rock side to side too much. Let's move on to plank with hip dips. Get into a low plank, rotate your hips towards one side of your mat, as near towards the mat as possible. Bring them back to center, then to the other side. Keep your shoulders steady as your hips move. Stay in the same low plank position. Now move on to plank knee tap. Gently tap one knee down to your mat, lift it back up, then switch sides. Keep your core tight so your lower back doesn't sink. Time for bear crawl. Get on all fours at the bottom of your mat, hover your knees just off the mat and crawl forward towards the top of your mat, then back and repeat. Flip around and let's transition into a reverse plank. Start by sitting on your mat and your legs extended. Place your hands behind you and lift your hips up into a reverse plank. Engage your quads and keep your chest up.
Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu peso. Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu peso.
Hold this position and now lift one knee up towards your chest. Then back out and switch. Keep your hips high and steady.
Go.
Well done guys, let's flip around onto all fours for bird dog. Not long to go, keep pushing through. While on all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Bring them down slowly and switch sides. Move slow and engage your core so your hips stay level.
Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso, quiero probar tu beso. Ay, qué rico se ve.
Let's move into a low plank position, then have your hand behind your lower back for 5 seconds. And then repeat on the other side. We're more than halfway through the workout, so just keep pushing through till the end. Not long to go. Stay in a low plank position and now gently shift your weight back towards your heels, then forward, and repeat the motion nice and slow. Keep your body in one straight line as you rock. If you need to rest and just make note of where you stop. It's all about progression. Nice work. Let's move into a side plank position. Reach your top arm upwards, then thread it underneath your body. Bring it back up and repeat. Keep your hips lifted. Now let's swap over and repeat on the other side.
Do you love me or not? I can never tell what you got going on, girl, no. Would you trust me or not? Going city to city and in places that you don't know about. Yeah, I'm tired of sending these texts I know you don't care about. I put it all on my chest, come on girl, let's air it out. But I know you don't games, you're trying to play around. But I know you won't change, you wanna wait around. She don't know.
Nice work. Now move into a high plank position. Time for plank jumps. Start by jumping both feet out wide, then back in together. Land softly on your mat and keep your core engaged.
You can't save me. Yeah. Guess I'm paying for what you made me. Like you never did on the story, no praise. Don't with there's nothing I can say to.
Remain in a high plank and we're doing some shoulder taps now. Tap your right hand to your left shoulder, place it back down and switch sides. Try to keep your hips from moving too much. Just a couple more exercises to go guys, keep pushing through. Stay in the same high plank position. You can imagine an object beside you or just use a phone or a dumbbell. Reach one hand across your mat and drag it to the other side. Then switch hands. Keep your core tight so your body doesn't twist. Now get into a low plank and we're doing some rotations. Rotate your body open into a side plank, stacking your feet, return to center and switch sides. Move with control and keep your hips lifted. Almost done with the workout guys. Get into a high plank position. Start by lifting one leg up high, then bring it back in towards your chest and repeat on the other side. Slow and controlled, and one more exercise to go after this. Well done, get into a low plank and hold. Final exercise to complete the workout. Engage your core, your quads, your glutes, and breathe steadily and focus. I know it's hard, but you can do it. And that's the workout. Great work on completing this plank challenge. Remember to take note of where you rested and work towards completing the whole workout without any rest. You can do it. Progress takes time. See you in the next workout. Bye!